Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 10th of January 2023. We're going to talk about Palantir real quick to see if we can do a price prediction, to see if we can look for price to go up, to go down, or pretty much look for nothing. Let's talk about it because you guys can see in front of you that I have not created a price prediction on my last video in Palantir, which was on December the 20th. Back in December, okay, you guys can see how price in Palantir, we wanted to see price hold $7 in Palantir, but instead price fell down and we've been hovering around $6 ever since then. Okay, now these lines are still applicable then, seeing how price in in Palantir is still trading below these lines. We understand that this is where the contention between the buyers and the sellers will be. Okay, now right now it looks like the market is building up a cause. You guys can see how congested the price action has been over the last couple of trading days, which simply means that this is where the market is comfortable, is stable with trading at these price levels between those who are looking to buy and those who are looking to sell. This is the whole purpose of the market, is to find price levels to where those two entities can come together and do business. Okay, when we see a market trending a certain direction down, that is what it's up to, is trying to find a price level that the majority of the market can come through and get what they're looking for at the prices that they want. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart in Palantir. Okay, because right now, like I said, I really don't see a lot going on into the market in Palantir. I don't see a trend about to take place. I'm still seeing selling coming into the market in Palantir right there on that 2-day price bar. Pretty much what resembles there on this 2-day price bar. Taking a look at it on a 3-day, you're seeing the same thing. Like, it's still mixed. So what I'm actually looking forward to the market in Palantir is for this particular market just to consolidate and trade in between $7 and $6 right now. Now, what I will tell you is that we can see where buyers are actually holding price. So that's a good thing. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Okay. So now, the longer that we see people in Palantir coming in and propping up price at $6, the bigger the move is going to be higher. Okay, so we've seen price hold support at $6 over the last 5 3-day price bars. That's 15 days. Price has been maintaining $6. It's half a month. So we're beginning to see how the market in Palantir is trying to maintain itself. And also take a look at this, zooming out the chart, look at that. We are now trading at a point to where support was in the market in Palantir in May of 2022, right there. So we definitely want to see the price move above this area, this past area of support of $6.50. We definitely want to see that. But I'm here to tell you now, the market's not on the move. Okay. Now, I think the greatest probability of where price is going to go in Palantir is to the upside, but I have to be conservative. Like, I cannot give you some outlandish price target. That is something that I do not want to push here on this channel. I want to be realistic in how we're able to forecast and predict prices. So I am going to play some strength in the market. And so I just did a previous video for SoFi, so that's why I'm continuing to get caught with saying SoFi, but in Palantir. Okay, so let's look at this in Palantir. So I am going to play some strength in the market in Palantir. You guys can see that on this 1-hour chart, that this is where prices is getting rejected, meaning that this is where the sellers are at right now. Okay, so don't be surprised if the market in Palantir does not break above $6.70, at least not right now. Okay, so yeah, from out the gate, I am looking for price in Palantir to go down. Now, take a look at this though. Within this trading channel, right, in Palantir, this is where we want to see buyers hold. Okay, to give us an idea. Now, what this line represents here in Palantir is where we want to see buyers, right? So as we anticipate selling coming to the market right now, we don't want to see price break that line to the downside. Rather, we want to see the buyers hold it. Because as long as they hold this trend line, you guys can see how price is ever so slightly going up, right? Yes, that is what we want to see. Okay, so how are we going to play this? Okay, because what occurred yesterday is, I'm telling you now that I'm looking for price to go down initially because of the price action from yesterday, right? And what I mean is, look at that. Okay, we saw the market in Palantir go up and we closed down here towards the low end of the bar. That tells us that sellers are there. Okay, now I'm not going to be massively bullish, but I am going to play some slight strength into the market, and seeing how price got rejected there at $6.70, then obviously that needs to be another price target. That's our first price target right there. If we understand that sellers came in there at that price, then the next opportunity that it goes up there, we need to take some off the table, which is only 2.92%. My second one is right there around 680, which is 4.62. And my third is up there, that top range of resistance in this trading channel of 70. You guys can see that 7.5% move right there. Okay, so go ahead real quick. I'm done. I'll give me your thoughts about Palantir. Where do you think the price is headed? I think the greatest probability for the market in Palantir is for it to go higher. But first, we got to let the sellers come through. Okay, I'm telling you now that from out the gate, price is anticipated to go down. But since I don't cover Palantir on an intraday basis or, you know, day in and day out on this channel, I'm not going to be here to show you all that. So yes, I'm here to tell you that now. Be prepared for the price in Palantir to go lower, which is why I identified this trend line. We don't want to see price break that trend line though. All right, so give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Trade different.